In primetime news this evening, moving too slow. Stakeholders demand swift progress in local ganja sector. A family demands answers of KPH after physically challenged relative left unattended on the hospital floor. And is Cabinet Minister Daryl Vaz likely to get back his visa?
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what do you suggest can be done to develop the ganja industry in Jamaica? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.